Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today I thought it would be fun to go over some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and we are going to put together almost a full face. I am going to use these palettes for my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, and then we're going to put together a fun St. Patrick's Day themed eye look. So I hope you're excited. I know I am, and I'm just going to jump right into it. I already have on my foundation, my concealer, I've powdered, my eyebrows are done, and the rest we are going to do together. So the palette that I'm going to use for my bronzer is going to be this one right here. This is the Warrior palette from Juvias Place. Show you some of the shades in here. Some beautiful browns and taupes and golds. Absolutely might be my favorite of my Juvias Place palettes, although I do have a new one sitting over here that we're going to talk about. But this is the one that I'm going to use for bronzer. So I think what I'm going to do, this shade right here is called Cano. I'm going to take that very light-handed because these pigments are on the stronger side, and I'm going to throw this on to bronze up or warm up the face. So if you're not familiar with Juvias Place, obviously they have their own website, but they are also sold at Ulta. Although I do recommend, while Ulta is great and convenient to go in the store, I wouldn't have known anything about Juvias Place had I not been in the store. But if you go onto Juvias Place website, sign up for their emails, they have lots of sales. So I have gotten so much from their flash sales, from their sales that they have. So highly recommend that. Put a little bit down here, a little bit down here. So that shade worked great. Now for highlight, I'm going to go into this center shade right here, and it is called Moremi. Beautiful champagne. I love to put this on my lid. We're going to go in with a small brush. We're going to use this as highlight. There's Cat trying to get in. That is beautiful. That is Moremi. Little down the center of the nose. Now for blush, we are going to switch to another palette, and this one is the Warrior 3 by Juvias Place. Let's take a look at these shades. These are some bold shades going on here. That plastic wrap needs to come off. Some bold shades. So I think what we're going to do is take this orange shade right here. It is called Jarawa, and we are going to pop this on the cheeks for a little color. Again, super pigmented, so be careful. I'm going in with the lightest hand because I would rather build it up than go in with too much and try to take it down. Next, we are going in with the eyes, and we're going to do a fun St. Patrick's green, orange, gold look, and I'm going to zoom you in, so I'll be right back. I'm back. So we are going to do a green transition. I have done a green sparkly eye on my channel before, but that one had more of a wearable beige brown backdrop to it, and this eye look is going to be a little bit bolder. I'm going to use the orange as the background shade. So we are going to go in back in with this Jarawa shade. Let's see if we can get that in frame there. We're going to go in with a fluffy brush My eyelids are already primed. I will have listed the products that I used for the rest of my face in the description box if you are interested. This has got a little bit more of a pink tone than what I was looking for, so now it's time to jump into the third palette, and this one is my newest fave, and it is the Magic Mini from Juvias Place, but I think this shade right here is what we are looking for, and it is called Jakia. That's the shade I was looking for. Next, we are going to go in with a nice green, and I think I'm going to jump back into this Warrior 3 palette and jump in with this Masai green here. We're just going to go tight into the crease with that. Next, we are going to jump back into the Magic Mini because there is a sparkling green shade in there that I would like to try out, and that is called, it's B-U-Z-O. I'm going to say it's called Buzo. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'm going to go in with this one with my finger just across the lid. That is beautiful. Love this shade. What should we do under the eye? I think we're going to go a little bit calmer and maybe go into that Nana shade. Going to go back into that tight crease with the solid green from the Warrior 3. Pull that a little bit underneath just to combine the two shades. And then no additional product on this brush that I had the Jawarwa on. I'm just going to make sure that we didn't lose any of that corally peachy orange, and of course to blend just a little bit more. We want to blend those edges. Stained my finger. Okay, so next I want to take a little bit of gold, throw it into that inner corner. This Nubia looks like a goldy green. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go with that right in the innermost part of the eye. Love it. Clean off these fingers. Okay, I'm going to throw on some liner and lashes, and then we will lastly talk about the lip. I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I have liner, I have mascara, I have my little accent magnetic lashes on, I have lip liner, and now we're going to jump in with a Juvias Place Velvety Matte Lipstick. I featured this in my best nudes video. If you haven't seen that one, I will have it listed below. But this one is called Toffee. This is what it looks like. And we're just gonna throw some of this on. It is a lovely brown nude shade that kind of tones down the bright look. So we could leave this and let it be a matte lip, or we could throw a gloss on top. I just happen to have this Maybelline Lifter gloss sitting right here. So let's go ahead and throw that on and see if it adds a little sparkle, a little shine to our lips. I think it adds a little something, and the shade on this one is called Crystal. So it's just a nice light coppery brown sort of go with the look. So tell me what you think about this look. I do have a little surprise for you. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. I am new to YouTube, and I'm so appreciative of those of you that have subscribed to my channel and are taking time out of your day to watch me love on makeup and tell you what I think about certain products and give you reviews. I hope you have found it useful. I am just having so much fun, and I wanted to give you something in return. So I will put the rules of how to enter into my giveaway in the description box, but in a nutshell, what I need you to do is make sure that you like this video, that you are subscribed to my channel, and that you are following me over on Instagram. I will have my Instagram link in the description box below. I'm gonna leave the giveaway open until next Wednesday, and what you are going to be winning is a couple of my Natasha Denona faves. The first one is this blush duo. This is what it looks like. It is a blush and highlight combination. Absolutely beautiful. And the second item is another Natasha Denona favorite. This is the Natasha Denona palette number 5. Thought it would go well with our green theme today, and this is what it looks like. We've got some lovely browns and greens, some beautiful, if you've not tried Natasha Denona's shadows, like I said, Juvias Place and Natasha are two of my tippy top favorite formulas, so I picked those up for you to say thank you. So I will have a winner drawn next Wednesday. Make sure that you leave an email or an Instagram for me to contact you if you are the winner, and good luck. So please comment below, let me know what you thought about our St. Patty's Day look. I hope you are lucky and you are the winner of my giveaway. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you do on St. Patrick's Day. Do you drink green beer? Do you have cabbage and ham? Tell me what your plans are. Tell me if you are Irish or if you just like to practice that Irish holiday. So be safe, have fun, happy St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you soon.